So today I'm going to show you how to do the wavy effect on Davinci Resolve. So the two effects that you're going to use are going to be displace and fast noise. So we're going to go up here on effect. We're going to go on tools and we're going to write down displace. I'm going to drag it here. The second effect that we're going to use is going to be fast noise, but you don't need to type it here because it's right there. Fast noise. We're going to connect it to displace, and together they're going to create the wavy effect. And on After Effects, it's only one effect called turbulent displacement, but at the end of the day, it still does the same effect. Now I'm going to explain how to play with the settings to have that wavy effect to your liking. It's pretty easy since it's only two settings on each effect that you have to play with. Okay, so we're going to drag both effects onto here. So grab this thing and then place it here. So don't panic. It's now, if it does that, it's all right. All we have to do is go to displace and press Ctrl T. And the reason why is because we have to put the fast noise on the foreground, so this has to be green, and these lines has to be on the background, so it has to be yellow. We're going to start with the first effect, fast noise. So for the first setting, it's going to be the scale. So the lower the scale, the lower the wave. So if we put at 0, there's 0 wave. The higher the scale, higher the wave. And the second setting, it's gonna be to animate it, so it's gonna be over here on seeth rate, and we're just gonna put it like around here. Now you don't need no keyframe, you just have to drag that one, and now it just animates it. The lower, the slower the animation, the higher, the faster the animation. So basically use the fast noise to animate it. And now for displace, first setting is going to be the offset. Like over here, it scales up the background, so the offset, we're just gonna drag it all the way down. Just gonna put minus 0.5, and the second settings will be the refraction strength. I personally use it just to like reduce the strength of the wave, and together it should look like something like this. It's a pretty easy effect, and it's only in total 4 settings that you have to change, and you should be good. Now that we got a good understanding on the settings that we can use, that we have to use to create that wavy effect, and even if you didn't understand, you could just copy these settings. Now I'm gonna show you my preset that I like to use on different things, like on a background, a shape, a text, and a vector image, because these are all preference, you can change it however you want, but this is what I like. Over here we have the background. So these are the settings for the fast noise. You can copy it right here, take a screenshot, pause the video, whatever. And for the displacement, it's just like that. Now for the text, is a bit different because I prefer my wave on the text to be like very small compared to the background and the shape. So on fast noise, I go on scale and I put it at 90. Other thing that I change is a third setting, and it's the contrast. So the contrast, I just like to like show a bit less of wave. And now for the displace, instead of radial, put it on XY, is because on radial it only touches like the W and the Y. It doesn't like touch the center, but it touches all around. So I go on X and Y, now it just touches every single letter. And the setting that I touch with is the X refraction and the Y refraction, and I just reduce it just a little bit, and yeah, so that's the setting, and that's the setting. And now for the shape, this is the setting for the fast noise. It's pretty much the same thing from the background. On the vector image, on the fast noise, I like to use bigger wave than smaller wave, so I go around 10.8, and I put the animation very slow. And for the displace, it's on the radial, and I just reduce the strength, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope y'all learned something, and have a nice day.